Are you ready to elevate your makeup game and discover the best makeup for women in their 40s? What if I told you there's a stunning kit designed specifically for your needs, combining versatility and elegance for every occasion? Introducing the Physician's Formula, Shimmer Strips. Custom eye-enhancing kit with eyeshadow, eyeliner, and mascara in Nude. This is not just any makeup kit. It's your new secret weapon for achieving that effortlessly beautiful nude look tailored for any eye color. Let's dive into the problem. As we age, our skin becomes more sensitive, and finding makeup that doesn't irritate can feel like searching for a needle in a haystack. Did you know that over 50% of women experience discomfort with their makeup products? It's a common struggle that can leave you frustrated and looking for solutions. But fear not, the Physician's Formula Nude Look Kit is here to save the day. This incredible set includes 9 exquisite eyeshadows, 2 eyeliners, and 2 mascaras. Whether you prefer a soft wash of color or a bold, intense look, this kit allows you to customize your eye makeup effortlessly. And the best part? You can use the eyeshadows wet for a more vibrant color payoff, or dry for a soft, subtle finish. Imagine a long-lasting glamour that won't smudge or fade throughout your busy day. This kit features a water-resistant and smudge-proof eyeliner that offers 24-hour wear, ensuring your look stays flawless from morning to night. Plus, it's safe for sensitive eyes and contact lens wearers. No more worrying about irritation. Every product in this kit is formulated with your delicate skin in mind. Physician's Formula is dedicated to creating cosmetics that are hypoallergenic and free from the harsh ingredients found in so many other products. With recommendations from allergists, dermatologists, ophthalmologists, and plastic surgeons, you can trust that this makeup is not only beautiful, but also safe. So if you're ready to redefine your makeup routine and embrace the best makeup for women in their 40s, the Physician's Formula, Shimmer Strips, Custom Eye Enhancing Kit is the perfect choice for you. Don't miss out on the chance to experience a makeup revolution that caters specifically to your needs. If you enjoyed this sneak peek into the world of radiant beauty, make sure to subscribe for more tips and tricks that will keep you glowing. Remember, your best makeup days are just a click away.